welcome to this India Today special where we are joined by a very special guest, Salim Khan, famous writer of Bollywood hits, as well as the father of actor Salman Khan. Salim bhai, thank you very much for talking to us. I'm going to start with Salman Khan because Salman Khan has got himself into a controversy over the Yaqub Memon execution a few days ago when he tweeted that Yaqub should not be hanged. Tiger Memon is the one we should be catching and hanging. Immediately outside your house there were processions. Salman was targeted. Someone said cancel his bail. How do you see it?
No, but these things have been said by many people. I mean, not Salman was but the only one. Probably his way of putting up it was a little childish or a little meaningless. So the first person to condemn it was his father, that's me, and I personally felt
but maybe he believes it. Maybe he genuinely believes it. There are others. 40 eminent citizens wrote to the president asking for mercy for Yaqub Memon, likes of Shatrughan Sinha, likes of Ram Jethmalani,
Shatrughan Sinha, Mahesh Bhatt, Kardju, Justice Nasiruddin Shah. A lot of people have said that.
So why was Salman targeted?
You get more publicity when you attack Salman.
Why? Why?
Because he's a big star. That's why.
You think that Salman is being targeted because he's a celebrity, or is it because he's a celebrity also?
In this
he's
particular,
an Indian Muslim.
In this particular case, our friend Ashish Sheller,
the BJP state president, Mumbai president.
Yeah, he had a long back that it gave. Wherever I get a chance, I will hit Salman. Because of him, I have lost the election.
You're saying Ashish Shelar, the local BJP leader, told you that wherever Salman is, I will target him always.
He told me precisely in these words that I am an advocate. I see what are the merits of the thing. I don't enter into anything. But in Salman's case, I will never think I will hit him wherever I'll get an opportunity.
It's interesting that you're saying a BJP leader is saying that, because the general perception now is that Salim Khan and Salman Khan are increasingly close to Narendra Modi and the BJP leadership.
The people, those who have come here with the agitation and blocked the road, and I felt that these are the people, those who are probably, a lot of them were against Modi ji.
You're saying these were local BJP leaders against Modi ji. Why didn't you pick up the phone and tell Modi ji, "Dekhiye, mere ghar ke bahar
he knows. He will come to know. He's totally aware of all these things. He comes to know.
But you know, the fact is that Salman also gets into one controversy after the other. Some very serious, like the hit and run case, the Black Buck case, now the case of Yaqub Memon. Is there something is it only because he's a celebrity, or just the nature of the man?
Sometimes it is political also. I mean,
the hit and run was not political.
And sometimes it is personal also. Like I've said it, in this case it was personal, this agitation.
You know, I'm just wondering whether in the aftermath of the Yaqub Memon case, people are being asked to take positions. Do you want Yaqub to have death penalty? Do you want life? Everybody is being asked to take position, and particularly if you belong to the minority community, you're either being accused of being an apologist for Yaqub Memon. 15,000 people, when they came for his funeral here, people said, what is going on? Do you fear that communities are getting divided today?
Unfortunately, I remember my childhood. I was born in 1935. I was 12 years old when partition took place. Yes, they were never there.
You think this has started now? This Hindu-Muslim divide has grown in our society?
Increased a lot.
Why?
I don't know why, but it is growing, and unfortunately it's growing by the day.
Because today we have an Asauddin Owaisi who says Islam khatre mein hai. We have Hindu leaders like Sakshi Maharaj and Aditya Nath who say that, who talk about love jihad.
These are the people who are also responsible. These are the people. These are the people.
So you believe that the Aditya Naths on one side, the Owaisis on the other are dividing society?
Yeah. Because you have to, once I remember Arbaz had gone to a tattoo shop, and he called me up from there and he said, "Ke main tattoo ki dukaan pe aa gaya hu, and I want to put something on my shoulder." I said, "You have reached there and you have not yet decided what you want to put." So he said, "Nahi, aap bataiye na kuch. You must tell me something." I said, "Just write love each other or perish." उसके है लिखा हुआ है love each other or perish. Unless हम एक दूसरे से मोहब्बत नहीं करेंगे, unless ये love नहीं आएगा, this country will never develop. The kind of claims being said कि ये होगा वो होगा, नहीं होगा.
But how do you explain the fact that the ruling Trimurti of Bollywood are three Khans, Salman, Shah Rukh,
That's
and
why I
Amir.
said.
But in real life, Muslims are way behind. In other fields of life, Muslims remain way behind the rest of.
Education, Muslims के अंदर consciousness होना चाहिए for education. And बहुत एलियंट होते चले जा रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट ड्रेस, वो ऊंचा पजामा, लंबा कुर्ता, इफ इट्स अ कंफर्टेबल ड्रेस आई हैव गॉट नो प्रॉब्लम विद इट. बट इफ इट्स अ स्टेटमेंट दैट आई एम अ मुस्लिम, देन यू कैन नॉट डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. चोरी नहीं कर सकते, रेप नहीं कर सकते, एनीथिंग इलीगल है, एनीथिंग क्रिमिनल, योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिकम्स मोर.
आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू देयरफॉर इन कंक्लूजन, नरेंद्र मोदी, do you believe that he is someone who genuinely has the interests of the Indian Muslims in mind, or is he, as is being suggested, at the end of the day, a Sangh Parivar Pracharak who is communal and believes in a Hindu nation?
I have got personal experience. मैं पुलिस वाले का बेटा हूँ, मुझे पता भी लग जाता है कि आदमी अंदर क्या है, बाहर क्या है. But he is not a communal person, I must tell you.
You don't believe it?
No,
despite Gujarat 2002, you don't see Narendra Modi as communal?
Absolute. My conviction. He is not a communal person, and हो गया जो भी कुछ हुआ. Probably he didn't have much control that time. He was absolutely नए आए थे वो. और यहाँ भी जब भी राइट्स हुए, इसके पहले भी राइट्स हुए, कब कंट्रोल हुए हैं? आर्मी को बुलाना पड़ा है कि कितने वर्ष तक कंट्रोल हुए हैं?
नरेंद्र मोदी doesn't wear a cap.
92 में the right which took place, हमारे यहाँ की सबने आके नेम प्लेट कहा, तो सेक्रेटरी ने कहा कि जस्ट निकाल दो इसको. और दैट पीपल डोंट नो द नेम ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर.
People don't know the name of the Maharashtra chief minister during the 92-93 riots.
Yeah.
Who was Sudhakar Naik, but nobody knows about it.
You ask somebody who was the chief minister. एक ही चीफ मिनिस्टर को राइट्स के लिए जिंदा रखा है वो मोदी को. कोई तो वजह है.
You say
political वजह है.
You say this is all political. But Narendra Modi refuses to wear a cap. During he will wear turban, he will wear all other he will wear all other headgear, but he will not wear a Muslim topi.
I also don't wear a cap.
Narendra Modi will not host iftar parties.
I also don't do that. And I have told one अपना political leader, I have told him कि ये गरीबों को खाना खिलाओ. ये इतने सारी बड़े-बड़े लोगों को खाना खिलाते हो, इनको गरीबों को खाना खिलाओ.
So you believe we have to redefine our concept of secularism? That secularism is not about wearing a topi and sporting a tilak.
It's nothing to do with that.
What is secularism according to you?
एक दूसरे से मोहब्बत को करो और क्या. सेक्युलरिज्म ये है कि इसके ऊपर कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होना चाहिए जात के ऊपर. That's all. ये सेक्युलरिज्म है. You should not be judged by your religion, but by your behavior.
But ये बोलने के these are nice things to say. The practice is different on the ground. On the ground there is a feeling that people are being discriminated against on the basis of religion, which is leading to alienation.
ये माँ बाप के ऊपर भी बहुत डिपेंड करता है. For example, one day my younger son came and asked me, Daddy, what religion we belong to? I said, क्यों पूछ रहा है? Why are you asking me? He said, मेरे को किसी ने पूछा. So I was very proud of this fact. कि उसने हमारा रिलीजन पूछा. That means कि हम इस तरीके से रहते हैं कि पता भी नहीं लगता है इंसानों की तरह.
But there is a feeling that in today's society we use words like Hindu terror and Islamic terror. There are SMSs which are put out. Every Muslim is not a terrorist, but every terrorist is a Muslim. How do you respond to this? Is there something going wrong in our society? Do you believe that religion is linked to terror?
Religion का कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है terror से, because Islam says कि one innocent people killed, probably it is like killing the humanity.
This is what the Prophet said.
Yeah, this is what the Prophet said.
So do you believe the time has therefore come for us to, in a sense, rechart this whole Hindu-Muslim equation?
और exactly मुसलमानों को भी इस्लाम क्या है वो बताओ. They don't know.
So Muslims have to be told what is true Islam. Hindus perhaps have to be also told what is true Hinduism.
Yes, of course.
And you believe the basis of that ultimately will enable the communities to come together.
अब ये देखिए हम रहते हैं ना क्या नहीं एक छत के नीचे. So many different religion and harmony, and this is no issue also religion at all.
And what will you in conclusion tell those who say that, and it was said when Salman made statements on Yaqub Memon as well, go to Pakistan, Pakistan chale jao. What would you like to tell in conclusion those who say Pakistan chale jao?
Pakistan, if you go to Pakistan, should be used with the people, those who are from Pakistan. We are not from Pakistan. We have been here since the last 7 generations. We are Indians. Or yeah, iske baad, how many generations we have to live here to prove that we are Indians?
Salim Khan, thank you so much for speaking. Thank you very much.